green switch. No? We're just gonna wing it? Okay. So I got the sign behind me of where we are. There's the water. It's kind of brown here, so I guess it's maybe cedar water. I don't really know. I thought maybe we'd see a lot of trees changing, but it's a lot of evergreens. So they haven't really changed colors. There's a few, not many. Some lily pads in the water. And right there, it's like a little waterfall. I don't know if they call it a dam or I don't know. I'll walk around so we can see better from the other side. There's a lot of dead trees. I guess they were knocked down or cut down. There's a lot of like dead tree roots and trees. Well, with leftover tree stump. These are some kind of mushrooms. And the squish looks like someone stepped on it. I don't know what they are. Look like little teeny purpley golf balls. There's a big sign here. I don't think it really tells us where exactly we are. There's no "You Are Here" spot. And this side says Wharton State Parks. The hubby, his vacation hat on. There's some more mushrooms over here. These guys are huge. My shadow's in the way. But this is my foot. And that's how big the mushrooms are. They're huge. It's on the other side. Hope you can hear me. There's a busy road behind me. There's like a dam or a waterfall on both sides of this parking lot. This is the one side. This one's a lot bigger than the other side. This is what it looks like underneath. There's another angle of the falls. Just like on the other side. And across the street it's even prettier. That's where all like the runoff from the dam is. There's the big down tree. And there's another little lip there where the water runs down. This tree's kind of blocking the view. And just so you know, there is no swimming. We call this the Little Falls. This is the side we saw when we first came in. It's a lot smaller. Still pretty though. There it is from this side. Really loud. This is the water across the street from the Little Falls. Look at how pretty these trees are. These are all starting to change. The reflections are showing in the water. Oh, this is beautiful. Here's what it looks like from the other side of the street. The one big falls is all the way down there. And there's a parking lot. And then right here is the Little Falls between those cones. And then there's another parking lot over here. We're across the street, and this is a busy street. There are so many cars. Okay, this is the last shot before we leave. We got somewhere else to go tonight. Pretty trees in the background behind me. This is across the street from the falls. And hope you liked the video, and see you in the next one. Bye!